Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file share app. First, ensure you have the app installed on your device, whether it's a phone or computer. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the main screen. You'll typically find options for uploading, downloading, and managing your files. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to share in just a few steps. To send files, simply navigate to the Upload or Share option within the app. You can then browse your device to select the documents, photos, or videos you want to send. After selecting, the app will usually provide a shareable link or allow you to input recipient email addresses. Remember to adjust permissions, perhaps allowing only viewing access, and consider setting a link expiration for added security. It's a straightforward process to get your files to others. When someone shares files with you, you'll typically receive a notification or a direct link. Clicking this link or accepting the notification will open the files within the app. From there, you can choose to download them to your device for offline access or further editing. It's a good practice to organize these new files into specific folders to keep your digital space tidy and easily searchable. This ensures you can always find what you need quickly. Many file-sharing apps offer advanced features like cloud integration, allowing you to sync files across all your devices automatically. You can also collaborate on documents in real time, making teamwork much more efficient. Some apps even provide version history, so you can revert to previous edits if needed. These tools enhance productivity significantly. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's worth exploring all the app's capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.